Sometimes the biggest obstacles in our lives are not the ones we face externally, but the beliefs we hold within ourselves. These beliefs shape who we are and determine how we live. But what if we could shift these beliefs and unlock our true potential? Meet Donald. Donald has always felt like he's not good enough. He believes that no matter how hard he tries, success will always be out of his reach. These limiting beliefs have been holding him back. Donald, feeling lost, decides to leave the village in search of peace. He walks deep into the forest and finds an old monk sitting by a fire, meditating calmly. Donald thought, "I've heard of this monk. Maybe he can help me find peace of mind." Donald, in search of answers, decides to seek the wisdom of an old monk who is known for his teachings on inner peace and transformation. Donald sits before the monk and starts explaining his struggles. He said, "Master, I've tried everything, but nothing works. No matter how much I work, I still feel like I'm not good enough. What am I doing wrong?" Monk smiled and said, "Donald, the problem is not what you are doing, but how you are thinking about it. Your beliefs about yourself are shaping your reality. The belief that you are not good enough is limiting your growth." Donald, confused, "But Master, no matter how hard I try, I keep failing. I feel like something is wrong with me." Then Monk said calmly, "You are not failing, Donald. You are simply operating from a belief system that no longer serves you. Let me show you something." The monk takes Donald to a nearby river where the water is flowing over smooth stones. Monk indicated at small stones in the river, said, "Do you see these stones, Donald? They were rough when the water first began to flow over them, but over time the constant, gentle flow of water has shaped and smoothed them. Just like the stones, your beliefs can be reshaped if you give them time and consistency." Donald asked, "But how does that help me? I still feel stuck in my old beliefs." Monk explained, "The first step is to identify the limiting belief. You already know yours. I'm not good enough. The second step is to challenge it. Ask yourself, is this belief really true? What evidence do I have to support it? Look around you. Do others succeed because they are good enough, or because they kept trying even when they faced failure?" Donald thought a bit and said, "I suppose there are many people around me who aren't perfect, but they keep trying." Monk said, "Exactly. Now reframe this belief. Instead of, 'I'm not good enough,' try thinking, 'I am always improving with each step I take.' Your belief system doesn't need to limit you. It can empower you if you allow it." Donald is learning the first step in shifting his belief system, identifying and challenging limiting beliefs. Donald is seen back in the village, practicing his new belief. He faces small failures, but instead of giving up, he keeps going, repeating to himself, "I am always improving with each step I take." Over time, he starts to see progress. With time and consistency, Donald begins to embrace his new belief that every challenge is an opportunity to grow. He repeats positive affirmations daily. "I am capable, I am always learning, and I can achieve anything I set my mind to." Donald is seen confidently presenting his work in front of others. He receives praise and starts achieving his goals. His facial expression is now one of confidence, with a bright smile. Donald's transformation is not just about success, it's about the shift in his belief system. By changing his mindset and embracing the power of persistence and growth, Donald unlocked his true potential. Donald returns to the monk to thank him for his guidance. The monk smiles, watching Donald with pride. Donald said, "Master, I can't thank you enough. My life has changed completely. I no longer feel stuck in my beliefs. I feel free to grow and succeed." Monk nodded. "Remember, Donald, you are the creator of your beliefs. Keep reshaping them as you grow. When you change your beliefs, you change your life." Like Donald, you too can shift your belief system. All it takes is awareness, a willingness to challenge your limiting beliefs, and the courage to reframe them into something empowering. Remember, your beliefs shape your reality. Change your beliefs, and you'll change your life. If you enjoyed this story and want to learn more techniques to transform your life, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Start today by identifying one limiting belief you want to change, reframe it, and watch how your life begins to transform.